In today's video, I am going to teach you how to register in Wave Accounting for free. This is a simple process, and by the end you will have your Wave account ready so you can start organizing your business finances. To make it easy to follow along, just pause the video whenever you need a moment, and keep your internet connection steady. First, go to the Wave Accounting website. When you arrive on the homepage, take a second to confirm you are on the official site. This matters because you want to sign up in the correct place. Once you see the main page, look for the button that says something like Get Started Now or Sign Up for Free. The wording may vary slightly depending on the page design, but it should be clearly related to starting your free account. Next, click Get Started Now or Sign Up for Free. After you click it, you will be taken to the registration screen. You may notice that the page is asking for your details to create the account. Take a moment to read the fields on screen before typing anything, so you enter the correct information. This step is important because the rest of the sign-up depends on what you enter here. Now enter your email address and a secure password. For the email address, type in an email you can access, since you may need it for verification or future login. For the password, choose something secure that you can remember. Make sure it follows any password rules that the site displays, such as minimum length or required characters. If you see an option to show or hide the password, you can use it to confirm your typing. But be careful and avoid sharing your password with anyone. After you enter the email address and the password, click Create Your Free Account or Get Started. This button is what submits your registration details. As you click, watch for any confirmation message, loading screen, or next page that appears. If there is an error, double-check that the email format is correct and that the password meets the required criteria, then try again. With your account created, the next part is the onboarding prompts. Onboarding is the short set of screens where Wave asks for key information about your business, so your dashboard can be set up in the best way for you. Follow the prompts carefully and do not rush through this section. The more accurately you enter the details, the more relevant your settings and reports will be later. During onboarding, you will be asked to enter your business name. Type the name you want displayed for your business records. If you are a sole proprietor, you can enter the name you use professionally. If your business has a specific legal or brand name, use that as it will help keep your accounting consistent. Next, you will be asked to enter your country. Choose the country that applies to you. This is important because tax and currency settings can vary by location. Make sure you select the correct option from the list provided. Then proceed to the next prompt. After that, you will be asked to choose your currency. Select the currency you want to use for your accounting. This setting helps determine how amounts are displayed in your reports and invoices. Take a moment to confirm you selected the currency you expect, especially if you operate internationally or deal with multiple currencies. Once you have entered your business name, country, and currency, continue through the remaining onboarding prompts until the setup is complete. Depending on the version of the sign-up flow, you might be taken to a dashboard or asked a couple of quick configuration questions. Follow what the website asks on screen and keep moving forward. When you reach the point where your account is fully set up, you are ready to start using Wave Accounting for free. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.